So we're going out today and we are going with people who like to take pictures. So we're going to do a quick makeup look. For our brows, we're going to be doing the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the color 4.5. Yes, my brows are already filled in, but I feel like they can be gappy, and I do brow tints, but I wash my face a lot and they don't last. So I'm just going to fill in the gaps with this, just lightly fill it in. And then I'm going to take this and brush it. What is wrong with my child? And that's it for the brows. I already did my moisturizer. I have my Kiehl's on. I'm going to go in my Black Girl sunscreen because we are going to the beach. I'll apply more later. But I just like to put a little on my face. So I need to get some more concealer because my LO Girl that I found at Five Below is too light. So we're going to be using the Fit Me in the color 335 for a light beat today. One size beauty blender. I'm going to set my brows with the Maybelline Brow Studio.
Sit up.
I'm going to warm it up with some Hoola Toasted Bronzer by Benefit as well. Do Moon blush, also by Benefit. And then I'm not really sure what I want to do with my eyes. I don't want to do too much. My lips are really dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip on. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a little liner. Let me think. So we're gonna I'm not doing a lot, like I said. Just saw the mascara.
Sit up.
Okay, we are going to do our hair.